Hi and welcome to Passive Income. If you are a lover of ETFs, then this one is worth a watch. As I mentioned in my promo video, the ETF I am going to talk about is Toka, which doesn't consist of a bunch of stocks but a bundle of ETFs, particularly 10 ETFs. Why I get attracted to this ETF is because of the three following main reasons: diversification, growth, and monthly dividend paying. Let's check each one of the ETF's name, which going to tell you what they got in their basket by its name itself. And they are US Equity ETF, Canadian Equity ETF, International Equity ETF, Global Tech ETF. These four major ETFs that takes 70% of Toko, and then the rest 30% are Canadian Low Volatility ETF, Global Dividend ETF, Global Multi-Factor ETF, and I think the last two are for the balancing one. They are US Long Term Treasury Bond ETF and the last US Mid Cap Equity ETF. Mostly when you look at other ETFs, they will show you their top 10 holdings, which are mostly on or about 40% of their holdings only. You have to go for a real deep search for the rest of their holdings. But when we look at this Toka, which show you 99% of the holdings and is just a year and 5 month old from their inspection date, where the growth is already reached 21%. What I believe, if we regularly invest on this by a monthly basis for a year, then we will achieve a good yield on the year end. One of the reasons why I say this is because it's still on a early stage. Therefore, there's a lot of room to grow. That's my guess only. I'm gonna name some of the famous and valuable stocks in the 10 ETFs. Apple, Facebook, now as Meta, Microsoft, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, JP Morgan, Johnson & Johnson, Sophie, RBC Canada, TD Bank, Enbridge, Scotiabank, Canadian National Railway, BMO Bank, Canadian Pacific Railway, CIBC Bank, Brookfield Asset, Visa, Nestle, Toyota Motor, AstraZeneca, Unilever, Loblaw Companies, Thomson, Fortis, Mitsubishi, and Japan Tobacco. This diversification is the main strength for Toko, and the companies are not only just well-known companies but also well-grown companies with a lot of future growth possibilities. If you got only a little spare money to invest every month but wishing to buy only the blue chip companies, this ETF is your best choice. And if you want to avoid the trading commission fee on your traditional banking account, try to buy Toka on Wealthsimple. If you don't have an account with Wealthsimple, open one by using this referral code I'm showing on the screen, so you can get a free stock or money. In the description, I give the individual ETF links so you can do your own DD on it. Bye for now. Happy investing, folks.